n8n in the cloud. We'll be using Render and Supabase, not to be mistaken with the cloud version of n8n, which is a SaaS. This is also very good, and you can use that if you're not very technical. So now I will show you how to install it so that you have your own instance of n8n, and you can run pretty much unlimited executions. So first of all, you're going to need render account. So this is render.com, and you will need to create a new project. So here you'll have a blank page. So you'll click on new project, and here you're going to add a new project. This is going to be a web service. And here we are going to use an existing image. So the existing image is the Docker image. So this is docker.n8n.io, and then the rest of it. So let me just paste it in here. So now, as you can see, the image worked. So we'll be ready to deploy that. Now we need to create a new project. So you can start with the free version, but I don't recommend to do that. So you can get the starter, so $7 a month. And here we need to configure the different environment variables. So for that, we need to create a database inside Supabase. Don't get intimidated by the term creating a database. You will see that this is not very complicated at all. So first of all, we are going to go inside Supabase. You can also create a new account for free, even though I also recommend paying. A project like this is like $10 a month. So we'll create a new project. So we are going to name this project. This is going to be n8n installation demo. I'm going to select the first one. If you don't have a paid account, you'll have the option to select the free database. If you have a paid account, you need to select one of those. So you can just pick the first one. Here we are going to select database password. So I'm going to generate a new password, and I'm going to copy it. Next, I'm going to paste it inside my text editor. Here we are going to choose Frankfurt just because I'm in Europe. So I could choose Paris. Let's choose Paris. Now I'm going to create a new project. So here, as you can see, I have different sets of credentials. So I have the project API key, and I have the secret, the service role, which is not what I need to set up the n8n instance. Instead, I will need to click on connect. And when the project is set up, you will see that this button is going to be available. And then we look for the session pooler. Now you can see that this is available. So I'm going to click on connect. And here you will see that we have this session pooler. So we are going to click on view parameters. And this is what we need to copy and paste inside the environment variable in render. So as the next step, we just want to make sure that we have everything. So we are going to need the db postgres db underscore database. So that's the name of the database. So I'm going to paste that in here. I'm going to do exactly the same for the rest of it. I'm gonna get you to watch me copy and paste. Okay, now we need the DB Postgres database. So this is Postgres. Now we're going to Now we are going to need the different information to paste in the value section here. So the first one you can start with is the encryption key. So you just click on generate, and this is going to generate the encryption key for you. Now you need to go inside the Supabase, and here you will just copy and paste again. So this is host, so that's host, database password. I've just copied it inside my notepad. Port, so I'm going to select the port. User. So here for schema, we need public. Here for the database type, we need PostgreSDB. Just copy this one, it's going to be easier. Execution data age 168. Execution data prune, I'll set it to true. So this basically deletes the stuff that's too old. Deletes the execution. So here this is 50,000. Generic time zone. So I'm just going to copy it from here. And this is Europe. Okay. And now I'm going to deploy web service. So here, as you can see, it's doing something in the events tab here. So this is starting the service. Just going to pause. Now, as you can see, everything is deployed correctly. So all I need to do is to click this link. And now I need to set up my owner's account. So I'll set up the email, first name, last name, and password. And then this will be the credentials for my own n8n installation in the cloud. Next, we'll need to add a new environment variable, which is going to be the webhook URL. So that's really, really important because we want to have our own. We don't want to have something that looks like that. So first, I'm going to go to settings, and here I'm going to add a custom domain. So you need to configure the DNS. So what I recommend to do is to create a subdomain. So it could be like n8n dot and then your website. And then save. So you need to make sure that this is configured correctly in your domain settings. This is going to recommend to also have a www. So you don't need that at all. You just need this subdomain. And next, you're going to copy that and you're going to go inside environment. And then here, you're going to add a new one. So you click on edit and then add new variable. And this one is going to be webhook underscore URL. Paste that and then save and deploy. So here I've spotted an error. No, it's all good. Oh yeah, that's 168. So I'm going to catch the opportunity to do it properly. Save and deploy. And now we are going to go to events. And here you will see that this is going to, logs. And here you will see that this is going to redeploy. So also something really, really important when you are inside your dashboard here, so I have several installations, you will see when you click on the project, manual deploy, and here you click on deploy latest reference in order to update. All in all, the process takes less than 10 minutes and you can have it set up perfectly.